So guys, for the first method, unplug your mouse from the USB port and then plug it back in again. See if that works. For the second method, unplug your mouse and then plug it into a different USB port. See if that works. For the next method, you can try your mouse in a different computer, and if it's still disconnecting, maybe the mouse is broken. For the next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. You want to find your mouse, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your mouse comes with a software, like my one does, then you want to go to your mouse software, click on your mouse, and then go to settings. Make sure that your mouse firmware is up to date. For the next method, go back to device manager and find your mouse. You want to right click on it, and then click on properties. And now once this comes up, if you have a power management tab, you want to click on it. And then you want to untick allow this device to wake the computer, and then click on OK. See if that works. You can also go to the driver tab, and then click on rollback driver if it lets you. Just keep this open, it's going to be for the last method. For the next method, go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change advanced power settings. And now you want to expand USB settings, and then click on USB selected suspend settings, expand that. Make sure that you have this disabled, and then click on OK. For the last method, you want to come back to here, your mouse settings, and then go to driver, and then click on uninstall device, and then click on uninstall. You want to uninstall your mouse driver. Now you want to restart your computer. So on your keyboard, click on Ctrl-Alt-Delete, which will then pull up this. You want to click on tab on your keyboard, and then keep on pressing on tab until we get to the power icon in the bottom right. Click on enter, which will pull up this. Use the down arrow key to hover over restart, and then click on enter. It's going to restart your computer. Once you come back into Windows, it's going to automatically reinstall your mouse driver again, and then hopefully this will work for you. If you tried all of this and it's still not working, your mouse is probably broken. You should get a new one.